Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to disable YouTube restricted mode for the YouTube app. Go ahead and open up the app. In the upper right hand corner, tap on your channel icon, tap on where you see settings. From there, general, and you'll be taken to the general page where around mid page you should see where it says restricted mode. It may or may not be on or off depending on what your settings were before, but mine is off, as you can see, and all you have to do to turn it on is tap the button right next to it, and it's going to move the bar to the right and it's going to be highlighted blue. Conversely, to turn it off, all you do once again is tap it. It'll turn to the left and it'll go back to the gray highlight color. But it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.